Drivers take a step behind the line. We'll start in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Match 64 here on Milstein. We have several shots up high on red, several on blue. As we see 95-35 backing off, going for a note in the middle. Looks like the handoff a little tricky there between their robot. Drivers taking control here. 6800 Valor going for one of those notes left over in the middle of the field, dropping it off into the amp. Lots of notes remaining there on red as we see 9636 holding the fort there on the Red Alliance wing. 4063 Tricks Are for Kids starting their cycle across the field, sending notes by express air freight to their Alliance's wing. A little bit of a tangle here on the Red Alliance. 6800 working cleanup crew on red, starting to amplify those notes up in the speaker. They have 2 robots working on that here, trying to score as many points as they can during this round. Amplification ends on red as it continues on blue. One note being shuffled across the field right into the Red Alliance loading station. Blue Alliance also on cleanup. 1591 aiming up high into the speaker, getting ready to amp a note. That is the last one that they need for amplification. Red is all charged up and ready to go here as we see 6800 shooting one up high into the amplified speaker, going for another note there in the middle of the field. That is 1 and 2 during this period. Over on the blue side, more notes being delivered by the Tricks Are for Kids machine. 1591 from Rochester, New York, dropping off the needed amplification notes. Their Alliance partners are aiming up high, ready for that button to be pressed. Trying to get as many amplified notes as we can, keeping this a 6-point game. Blue Alliance pulling ahead with an amplification period. Red Alliance is ready to rock and roll as well. One up high, 5885. Villanova Wildcats out of Ontario, Canada, scoring 1, 2, and going for number 3 during this amplification round. 20 seconds remaining in the match. 9636 taking a bit of a rest here on the field. Valor trying to amplify a few more notes. They just need 3 more on the Red Alliance, 2 more blue with the melody. 2 more notes on red to get that RP. Looks like they're going for the climb instead. And 2, 1, and time. With a score of 91-73. Blue Alliance had slight edge there on the firepower into the speaker with 4 ranking points to close out the match.